Honda fans! Today, we're gonna check out this Honda Ridgeline truck. I know it says Little Tikes. It's a Little Tikes. It's from Little Tikes. I know there's a Honda logo right here, and there's a Little Tikes logo right here. You can see his wheels. Whoop! And here is the box. You can see here's a Honda logo. And there's nothing in this Honda box. And there's two cup holders, and there's nothing. Probably cool, huh? And see, here's a lights. So, two lights. 1, 2, 1, but not one, it's two. Because, let's check it inside. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the steering wheel, and there's a horn. Okay, and then click up there to see the Honda Civic. And click on and subscribe or enjoy.